name is Shamkur and I am explaining about DBMS. Topic name is relational models. Data is stored in relational databases. Store data in the form of a relational table. Student data attributes. That name, roll number, address, phone number, age. This is student data attributes. Tuple means name, roll number. This is called attribute. This is called tuple. Degree. Count is called degree. 1, 2, 3, 4. Example. Roll number column roll number is this is column number this is the slide blank space example blank space